и хуй с ним.
Entrepreneurs, bienvenue dans la matrice, une émulation virtuelle de la réalité du business. Ici, les mythes se brisent, les masques tombent et les impostures se révèlent. Business en ligne, coaching, consulting, dropshipping, prestations de services, infoprenariat et même import-export de couches pampers. Aucun business n'y est épargné. Débutant, aspirant à se lancer ou entrepreneur souhaitant exploser son foutu plafond de verre. Aucun entrepreneur ne peut échapper à la réalité qu'elle renferme. Cette matrice est le résultat des réussites et des échecs acquis par mes associés, l'équipe entrepreneur.com et moi-même, directement applicable pour vous et votre business. Pas celui de votre voisin, je parle bien du vôtre, avec ses propres spécificités, de vos problématiques qui vous infectent la vie et de vos objectifs les plus égoïstes. Déjà, 120 000 entrepreneurs se sont connectés à la matrice et découvert la réalité cachée derrière leur business. Aurez-vous également le cran d'en faire de même? Le choix s'offre à vous. Vous pouvez cliquer sur le lien et pénétrer dans le premier environnement interactif à destination des entrepreneurs ou continuer à consommer votre contenu préféré sur YouTube. Dans tous les cas, je ne suis pas de ceux qui sont jugés partis. Alors quel que soit votre choix, il ne me reste plus qu'à vous souhaiter un excellent visionnage.
Have it ever happened to you that you had an MP4 file which was corrupted and could not be played back? Well, it certainly happened to me, but editor found a way to fix this, so I'm happy to present you in this episode a way of fixing corrupted MP4 files. So what we have to do in order to make this work, we need a working file and a broken file, so our software can compare the both and figure out what the broken file is missing from the working file. In this case, I already got those two files and I named them broken MP4 and working MP4, so the broken one cannot be played, not even with the VLC player, and you know, if VLC cannot play it, yeah, we might have a problem. So, second, we need two pieces of software. The link to those two pieces of software are in the video description below, so go ahead and download them. Once you download them, create a work directory. In my case, I'm calling it recover. Extract the two software pieces inside there. So we go to the FFmpeg, go inside this folder, copy those files, paste them inside the recovery, and do the same with the recover_mp4. Go to our work directory and place them inside bin. So those two text files don't need to be here, they are just documentation for the tool, so you can delete them. So next, for our own convenience, we are going to place our media files also inside the bin folder. We got the broken file and the working file, and now it's time to start up a command prompt. So to do that, do your start menu and type cmd, and then do a right click and run as administrator. Yes, we need to run this as an administrator, otherwise it could happen that the tools are not able to read or write the files properly. So once we've started the command prompt, we need to change our work directory to the work directory we just created. So I'm going to copy the path of our newly created work directory and place this inside my command prompt. I type cd for change directory, /D for drive, because I'm changing from the C drive to the Y drive. Press enter, and I'm inside our newly created work directory. If I do a list of the files inside, we can see we are now in this folder. On to the fixing stuff. So first of all, we need to analyze the working file to figure out what a healthy file is. So in order to do this, we have to type in the name of our executable, which is recover_mp4exe, do a space, and then give the first option, which is the working file. In my case, that's working.mp4. Then the last option is analyze, and this will analyze this file. So we hit enter. Okay, so now the software is telling us what to do next. And at this place, please follow the on-screen directions of your software, not of this video, because if you have a different OBS setup or a different camera, the comments might not be the same as shown here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this entire message and paste them into a notepad so I can get to them later. Now run the following command to start recovering. Okay, so we are going to run the utility again. So in this time we're telling him which the broken file is, and tell him to extract the H.264 stream as well as the audio stream. And now it's running, and depending on how big your file is, it can take some time. So in my case, it took me almost 5 minutes to do this. So what we have to do now is we have to use the FFmpeg encoder to bundle those two streams together to a new MP4 container again. So we're going back to our notepad where we had the exact string we need to do and paste it inside. So what this is basically doing, it's taking the FFmpeg encoder and is telling him to take the results H.264 stream as well as the audio stream to rebundle it in a new MP4 file, which is called results.mp4. So we're going to hit enter, and now we have to wait again. Alright, so the encoding is done. Let's see if our newly created .mp4 container is working. And double click the container, and our live stream is recovered. This file was basically not able to be played back or be edited at all because it was a broken container. Okay guys, so let me know, have you had this problem ever before? And were you able to recover it? Or did I bring just new lights to your older projects? Let me know in the comment section below. This is Greenbox and this is the end card. If you click here, you can watch the latest video. If you click down there, you can watch a video YouTube thinks you might like. If you like this video, hit like, share the video, and consider subscribing.
Hi everyone, glad to see you. It's Michael from the Recovery team, back with more practical data solutions. Now, videos are surrounding us, and I'm pretty sure you watch a lot of downloaded videos or probably stream a lot of content online, or probably during these nice stay-at-home days, you're looking into a lot of your archives and recordings. Favorite MP4 files from your GoPro, or probably some videos which were shot with your favorite DSLR. No matter what we use, we sometimes have encountered an issue with playing back a video file, and more precisely an MP4. Since MP4 is among the most common video formats, most of the issues you might encounter are exactly related to it. And today's video is about that, how to repair corrupted MP4 files. First thing we need to sort out is why exactly we cannot open an MP4 video file. And reasons could be diverse. A possible root cause could be a virus or malware or phone or storage device issues, or just an unreliable website we have downloaded it from. Also, there are going to be problems if the MP4 file header or extension is broken or damaged, or if the file was damaged while moving from one source to another, or if we had a network interruption, or the source is being temporarily removed from the place where we are downloading it from, or if there has been an issue with the compression, the editing, the rendering or processing, and the other possible causes, if somebody has changed the file extension or the video format, or used an unreliable third-party software to edit any of these video files. All of these are common and possible reasons of why you can't open your MP4 video files. We didn't mention the most common one though. Imagine you're shooting a video with the camera, the battery goes down, the camera cannot record the video until the end, and then you get a nice, beautiful, large, unreadable MP4 file. So the question is how to record that. Well, most of the time, if the file has been downloaded from the internet, the easiest way is to try to re-download it from the very same source, and let's say that gives success in more than 50% of the cases. Or alternatively, if the video file that is corrupted was on your SD card, try to copy it again. If that doesn't work, hang on, because we're starting the troubleshooting, and I'll present you a few ways of how we can recover these MP4 files. Let's start with the first method and see how we can fix a corrupted MP4 with VLC Media Player. This is a freeware multi-platform software, meaning that it doesn't matter if you use Mac OS or Windows as an operating system. Just download, install, launch VLC. Once you have it running, pick the media from the menu bar, scroll down to the Convert and Save option. The Convert Video Wizard is going to open up and you need to add your corrupted video. After adding, click Convert, Save, and proceed. You should give a name to the file and then click the Start button. This is going to convert your file into AVI format. Now, open VLC, head on to the Tools menu followed by the Preferences, select the option Always Fix in the Damaged or Incomplete AVI file option, and select the Save button. Now you can try to play the repaired video to see if that works. Does it work? Well, if not, we keep on trying. The next option is to copy the file in order to gain accessibility. Here's how to do that. Make a copy of your original MP4 file and rename it to AVI. Open VLC, choose Preference from the Tools menu, go to Input Codecs tab, choose Always Fix, and hit on the Save button, and I'll try to play the video in order to find out if everything has been fixed. If these two completely freeware methods do not work and do not help, our recommendation would be to use a professional-grade software to try to recover your MP4 files. There are a number of options on the market, but we can recommend the best out of these, which is our Wondershare video repair software. This tool is available for Windows and Mac OS and comes to rescue your corrupted MP4 files no matter what, within just a few clicks. It supports a wide range of file formats, completely secure to use, and let's see how that works. Let's open the tool. On the interface that appears, we need to click in the center where we see the message Add Video and start repairing, or alternatively, we can hit on the Add button at the bottom left side of the interface. When we add the video file, you're going to be shown the details of our file, the path, the size, the created date, and more information. We can now click on the Repair button, which is available at the bottom, and when the repairing is done, we're going to be asked to preview and save the video, so we hit OK to proceed. We're going to be able to notice the mini triangle icon. This is going to help us preview the video content to check if everything is alright, If everything is good, then we save the video on the PC and we enjoy. In some situations, your MP4 files could be really badly damaged, so in these cases, we simply go and choose the Advanced Video Repair option. Here's how to do that. We go ahead and we select the Advanced Repair link at the right corner of the screen. Then we hit the folder icon and get the sample video to be added. We click the Repair button, and now the Advanced Repair is going to start doing its job and magic to repair the corrupted video. Then we hit the Save button and choose the path where we want the file to be preserved. So, yeah, bad things happen in life, and it's important that we have the right software in order to overcome these troubles. And our video repair solution is the one addressing the most common issue that often happens with, action cameras or DSLRs, especially if you have captured beautiful MP4 videos. Well, I really hope this video was fun for you, and even more hope that this tutorial has helped you to recover your broken MP4 files. If that's the case, then make sure to say a good word in the comments below. If you have any questions, again, we're reading. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it in order to get more practical data solutions. My name is Michael. I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Bye!
Shame on you. Where's my money?
Сердце твое не со мной, волшебные годы любви прошли. Не знаю, чья в этом вина, я больше того не пьяна.
Можно я посмотрю?
Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. As promised, we're back with a brand new video where we'll teach you how to repair damaged or corrupted MOV video files. Anyone who watches movies or TV shows on a PC knows that it's quite common for MOV video files to get corrupted over time. But instead of downloading it from scratch again, it would be a far better option to simply repair it, as this will save a lot of your time. So in this video, we're going to showcase different methods that you can use to fix corrupted MOV files instantly, letting you watch your favorite movie or music video without any interruption. But before that, make sure to click the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any new updates. Now, let's begin.
Bonjour, viewers.
Before we give away the solution to repair an MOV file, let's try to understand what MOV video files are and why they get damaged. MOV is a video format that was designed by Apple and used to store video and audio files. It's considered a video format that was designed by Apple and why they get damaged. MOV is a video format that was designed by Apple and used to store video and audio files. It's considered to be one of the popular file formats for storing video files, mainly because it's supported by almost every media player. However, like any other file format, even MOV files can get damaged. In general, there are a few common reasons that can corrupt an MOV video file. These reasons include malware attack. If your PC is under a malware attack, then there's a huge chance that a large number of your files may be corrupted, including all of your MOV files. Unexpected PC shutdown. Let's say you were watching a video, and your PC blue screens or unexpectedly shuts down. If this happens, it is possible that the video file will get damaged, and you won't be able to play it at all. Download interruption. The majority of people, including you and me, download video files from the internet. While these files work most of the time, there are situations when the downloaded file may be damaged, corrupted, or even contain viruses. That's why it's always important to download files from a secured server and from a trusted source. Media player failure. Finally, your media player can also damage MOV files and restrict you from watching your favorite content. Media players are vulnerable to unexpected errors, which can end up damaging the current video file. So, now that you're familiar with the reasons that you might have a damaged MOV file, let's take a look at different working solutions to fix the issue. Since different factors can damage a file, you'll have to try different solutions to fix MOV files. Method 1. Change file extension. Changing the video's file extension is one of the ways to fix a damaged MOV file. In this case, you can simply change the MOV extension to AVI and use a media player like VLC to change its preferences as well. Step 1. Rename the file and save it with an AVI extension. Step 2. Open VLC and select Preferences under the Tool tab. Step 3. Now select Info/Codecs and use the drop-down menu to select Always Fix for the damaged or incomplete AVI file option. Step 4. Tap the Save button. Now close the window and run the video file using VLC. The media player will automatically download the right codec for the file and it will start playing without any interruption. Method 2. Use QuickTime Player 7. Another way to fix MOV files is to use QuickTime Player 7. It's a popular media player that supports a majority of file formats, including MOV. Step 1. Play the corrupt MOV file using QuickTime Player 7. Since the video file is damaged, the media player will display a completely black screen. Here, click the Windows tab and select Show Movie Inspector. The Movie Inspector is an feature in QuickTime Media Player that will display the entire meta information about the video. This will also include the error details.
Ну, ну да, да. Мгм. Ну ничего. Ну вдруг. Ну ладно, плохой человек. Он лучше учиться.
Take a look at these details and search them online to find the most accurate solution for the error. Method 3. Use a professional repair tool, such as Wondershare Repair It. You may online, which will also media player that will display the entire meta information about the video, which will also include the error details. Take a look at these details and search them online to find the most accurate solution for the error. Method 3. Use a professional repair tool. Such as Wondershare Repair It. You may find that your file requires a professional type of repairing in order to be playable again. Therefore, here we would like to introduce you to a highly efficient and remarkable tool, Wondershare Repair It, which will help you repair your MOV file without a hitch. The best part is that it recovers more than just MOV, and you can easily repair almost all of your video files with this tool. So let's understand how to use it. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the Wondershare Repair It tool from its official website. Now, add your corrupted MOV file into the interface by tapping the plus add button. Step 2. Next, Next, you simply need to hit the repair button and wait for the repairing process to complete. Upon completion, you'll have a pop-up message on your screen notifying you to preview your repaired file and save it subsequently. Step 3. Lastly, just hit the preview button beside your file in the interface to preview it, or hit save to save it on your computer storage. Method 4. Re-download the MOV file. Finally, if none of the methods work, you'll be left with no other option but to re-download the file from the internet. This time, make sure that your PC is connected to a stable internet connection. If the file was damaged due to an incomplete transfer, you can try transferring the file again. So that's it. Today's episode is all wrapped up. We hope this video helps you repair a damaged or corrupted MOV video file. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you want to see more content, make sure you click the subscribe button to join the community. We keep posting these videos so they will help you tackle technical errors in your daily life. See you next time!
Почему он соединился? А чё?
Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to fix the corrupted video on Android. So I just spent the past